Good morning, Humvee owners. Today we're going to be looking at the brackets that I just installed to hold the factory cargo divider on the 4-man soft top. This divider is something I've always wanted to put in because I intend to do some overlanding and camping, and in case I need to sleep down the long axis of the vehicle here, I need to have something that's removable and also something I can use when putting gear back there to keep everything separated from the cargo and passenger compartment. So I think this is a perfect solution. The brackets I have right here, similar to the factory brackets. Actually, a neighbor of mine, hats off to Bruce, who has access to a fabricating shop and laser cut and bent these to some dimensions I gave him. Made out of aluminum, so easy to work with, lightweight, and the install took me probably about 20 minutes all in all. Let's take a look at what we used to install this. So as you see, comes right out nice and easy. The install basically just measured from the seat back how far I need these back so I can get the clearance to take this out with the seat backs installed, obviously. We don't want any interference there. And then drilled 2 holes through the body, aluminum, so it's easy. And then stainless steel hardware, bolted right through. All in all, it took about 20 minutes. Down the road, we're actually going to get into how we're going to help seal out water as much as possible, obviously. What we're going to fill those voids with right there, and then what we're going to put on the lower side of this to help mitigate water coming through these channels. Now, since I have extra pair of brackets and I also have an extra divider, the extra one is in the factory wrap, green paint. This one, as you see, I had some bed liner put on, hence the need for custom sized brackets. I'll put a little description and price in the description below if you're interested in those. But otherwise, this is a very, very straightforward and very convenient accessory to have, keeping your cargo separated from the passenger compartment. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, post your videos. Take care. Make it a great day.